she's gonna be pleasantly surprised when she cuts that. It's gonna have some nice red jasper in it. Very nice for jewelry making.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's such an odd looking rock. But maybe there's a treasure inside. We'll see. I'm gonna try to cut that. And my new saw that is already gunky. And a friend from the channel Rose Bleu, his name is Patrick. He said that I should change this thing here for a faucet. And that's such a great idea. He has really amazing videos. They're in French, but I'm sure YouTube can translate in English. I'm gonna soon do an unboxing from Annie and Patrick. Annie is the one doing all the visuals and she also rockhounds. They are both amazing. Hope you can watch their channel. I'm gonna link it up here somewhere.
For reference, as someone who worked in the Home Depot tool rental for many years, changing that little plug for the oil is a very, very good idea. Because like unscrewing those things,
I just have to make sure that I put enough of this.
You mean Teflon?
Teflon tape. But you see, it's so low that it's not up to the edge yet. So it should be fine if I don't put too much oil. I really hope there's agate inside, and that's maybe why he gave me this rock that he found. Because to me, when I look at it, yeah, of course it looks like a potato, but I thought, oh no, it's only gonna be jasper inside because it's brown. But it looks silicated on the surface. Some spots are shiny, sparkly.
And there's a good chance he knows what he's talking about.
Yeah. Julie, cut this. 1, 2, 3. Wow. There's the core, maybe of the branch, the tree. Oh, there's some amazing colors there. What? Looks like it's green there, the little dot. Weird. Look at this, it's so cool. It's flamey around here. Gonna make slices. What colors do you see? That's funky here.
What?
Look.
It looks like a nebula.
You love it?
Yes, it is very beautiful. It reminds me of my home.
Oh, what's your home? Where's your home?
Planet Omicron Persei 8.
Don't know that place. Okay. You see? I took it out of my acid bath. I'm gonna try to make something like cool at the back, like a little drawing or something, a cutout. Let's see what my body and mind want to create. I made some holes randomly so I can then grab this tool now. It looks so weird. I think I want to make it upside down like this. It's not that much of a bigger one, but slightly, and it's gonna be, I think, enough to help me make bigger like strokes, kind of. Some people like to see that the stone is natural, that has no backing, and also some people like stone properties. A little handle. We're the next day, and I think I want to add a little something to the pendant. So I have 2 pieces here. I'm gonna solder these and then add this one here. So this is not normal, we have to change it. Before I leave you, I'm gonna show you some of the sizes. I'm cutting half of the nugget that you saw. For the rest, it was kind of hard, so I'm cutting slices sideways like this. Some parts are really soft limestone, but the red and the kind of purple is pretty hard. So I think the stone is really nice, and I can't wait to cut other styles with it. I have filmed quite a lot of rockhounding, so I'll be able to post more videos of rocks that I picked on the beach until the end of the process where I make a piece of jewelry. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and comment. See you on another video. Bye!